We got Eva here, a fellow CrossFitter. You said you injured your back about a year ago?
Yeah.
Doing?
Sumo deadlift.
Sumo deadlifts.
Yeah.
And you actually hurt a pop.
Yeah.
Yeah. And ever since then, it's kind of been just like...
Wasn't able to move after it. Was leaving the next day for school to go swim in New York, and then...
Are you like a pro swimmer?
No.
Close?
Just college.
Just college. Okay. All right. So you hurt a pop, and that was last August, was it?
Last August. It's been a year.
Yeah. And you haven't been able to really lift heavy since?
Yeah. Or I've been wary of lifting heavy in certain movements, like deadlift, flexion in the back for kipping pull-ups or butterfly pull-ups, even toaster bar.
Yeah.
And just cautious with a lot of my lifts, and I couldn't go 100% or 110% in.
You happen to have worked with a chiro and you never got adjusted the whole time?
No.
Yeah. In fact, I think you were referred to like a neurosurgeon or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was supposed to meet with
Yeah.
them, but they said that I should be getting a neuro injection to calm the nerves, but that would only work for a month.
Yeah, so a neuro injection, calming the nerves. When you're looking at any type of, especially a musculoskeletal condition, you always want to do more conservative care before you go to more invasive. So before you even adjust someone, sending someone right to a neurosurgeon, it's in their name. What do you think a neurosurgeon would want to do? Surgery or a type of injection?
Yeah.
We have a different approach here, and I think after we did your x-rays, you had a pretty nice little gnarly curve in there on that left side. Yeah, and actually when we adjusted you for that first time on that side, you said you almost had like immediate relief, right?
Yeah, like I stood up and I wasn't hurting anymore. And I came in with like a sore back from just driving, but after that I was fine.
Yeah, that's crazy. And then in the last week now, I think you've had what, 3 adjustments?
3 since, yeah.
3 since. In the last week, just because I go to your CrossFit class, you've PR'd 2 lifts already in 1 week.
By about 5 pounds and 20 pounds the other day.
So it was your squat yesterday or 2 days ago?
That squat 2 days ago, and then power clean in a workout.
Yeah.
By 10 pounds actually.
Yeah. I even scored a hug from you, which is crazy. Yeah.
I was crying, guys.
She was crying and gave me a sweaty hug. So I'm gonna show you what we did. I'll show you the x-ray in a second, but lay on your right side for me. Okay, this is my patient's low back x-ray from the front position. And you're gonna see this is the right side, this is the left side. So you're gonna see on the left-hand side, we got a pretty big angle there. If you remember back from geometry, a straight line is 180 degrees. So she's got about a 7-degree bend going on there, a lot of rotation. Those arrows basically are pointing to the apex of the curve. Also, my line of drive when I make the adjustments. And so this person just needs an adjustment and we're gonna be good to go to help with that herniated disc. So let's take a look and see how that adjustment is going to look like. So you're gonna see on her x-ray, she's got a pretty gnarly curve with the apex on this left side here. So this is the main one we've been adjusting, getting a lot of good movement. Come here. Nice nails. Nice. Okay, so we'll come right in here on the L5. Yeah. And this one you can kind of come in and go. Right close, right in. Yeah. Let that fall. Very nice. Like butter. Other side. Sweet. Just need a little opener with this pelvis here. Nice. On your back. Relax that shoulder. Thank you. See the enthusiasm on that face? Yeah.
I do actually.
Ooh. Then we're gonna get the ankles here. Decompress the
And
this gets the ankles a lot, and the hips.
And the hips.
And the hips. And the hips. And the hips. Here. Good. Here. Whew. Especially with low back issues, decompressing the hips makes a big difference. You're perfect. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what anyone says. Any final words?
To thank the Academy and my mom and dad and my boyfriend.
Thanks, Ethan.